Oh my god.
That was crazy. Welcome to the first ever Hammer and Nails Fest / Monster Energy Cash Up. And Monster Energy made this pretty much all happen. And then all the beautiful people from the BMX scene, music scene here in Cologne. Yeah, I'm super excited for today. We have with the People Best Trick contest on a car setup. It's like a bank to ledge on a roof, to flat pretty much. Excited to ride that one actually. Right, there's Mindwork Rams from Latvia. They came here to build this setup. We're gonna have a 2-hour session for the Monster Cash Up Jam, and it's 4K, winner takes it all. So I hope we get to see a lot of carnage, everyone just going nuts. Wanted to get like both worlds together, hardcore scene, BMX. Things are important to me. Make sure there's vegan food here. Yeah, and a lot of love and beautiful people.
Grab some cash. Marshall, 540. Yes! Nosy Marshall! 180, thank you, Marshall! There we go! Yeah, grab some cash. Manny, 180, type no head. Yeah! Yes! There we go, 180, thank you, man. Franklin! Yes, very good! Lift all the Marshall! Here we go, Marshall. 180 on the Marshall. Yes! Yes! Hey, make some noise! Shit! 6-6 up. Yes! Yes! One car. Grab some cash. 180. Thanks, Smith. Yeah! That is 360. Smith 360. Yeah! Make it happen. Yeah!
Fucked. Your lens is dirty as fuck.
Solly Bar guys to try. What the fuck? Thank you. Thank you, Dante. Right there. Alright, Eddie's coming back. Over back, guys.
What's up with that kid in there? On fire.
AK with the nice big group.
Fucking hell, John.
Thank you. Okay, coming again. Group, 180 Peggy group. Coming. The 180 Peggy group. Okay.